Filing income taxes with investment slips such as the T5 or T8 requires careful verification of cost basis and proceeds of disposition. This tutorial outlines the process using TurboTax and the CRA autofill feature. Note that a T58 slip is not a standard CRA form. This guide assumes reference to T5 investment income or similar trading summary slips. What the process does. TurboTax can import tax slips directly from the CRA using the Autofill My Return feature. However, certain fields, particularly the cost or book value, may be incorrect or missing and must be manually updated to reflect the correct adjusted cost base, ACB, including trading fees. Steps to file your return. First, open TurboTax and sign in. Navigate to the Income tab, where you will enter all earnings and investment information. Use the Autofill My Return feature. This tool connects securely to your CRA My account and automatically imports tax slips. If your brokerage has submitted the relevant slip, it should appear here. This step saves time and reduces manual entry errors. After the import is complete, review the list of slips shown on your screen, find the applicable slip, and open it. Carefully verify the details. Check the field labeled cost or book value. This number is often incorrect or missing. Update it to match your adjusted cost base, ACB, including any trading fees in this amount. Then check the field for proceeds of disposition, ensuring it reflects the correct total sale amount from your transaction. Confirm that the income type is set to capital gains so the software handles the calculation properly. Once all values are correct, the software will automatically calculate your capital gain or loss and transfer these totals directly to Schedule 3. Limitation. The accuracy of the autofill feature depends on whether your brokerage has submitted the slip to the CRA missing or incorrect cost basis. Information is common and must be corrected manually. This method is best suited for individuals with investment sales who need to report capital gains or losses accurately and want to avoid manual form entry. Conclusion. Filing taxes using a T5 or similar slip in TurboTax involves using autofill to import data, locating the slip, verifying the cost basis and proceeds of disposition, confirming the income type is set to capital gains, and allowing the software to calculate and transfer totals to Schedule 3. Manual correction of the cost basis is often required.